Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error 0x80246017 while trying to install Windows updates on your system, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolutions. First of all, you need to add and remove the Microsoft account, which is a little different process with Windows 11. So right click on the Start button, select Settings, go to the Accounts tab, and then in the Accounts tab you'll get this option which says Your Info, and then you can click on this option which says Manage My Accounts. This will take you to the browser, and from the browser you can log out of the single sign-on and then log back in. I'll show you how to do this. Here's the icon. Click on this and select Sign Out and then sign in again. The next solution is to run the Microsoft Online Windows Update Troubleshooter, or you can also run the offline one. So right click on the Start button, select Settings, go to System, scroll down to Troubleshoot and then Other Troubleshooters, and then select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and run this. The next solution would be to clear the SoftwareDistribution and Catroot2 folders. However, the issue is that to delete the contents of these folders, you would have to turn off every service associated with Windows Update. This has been explained over a separate article and video on the Windows Club. The last solution, if everything else fails, is to go to catalog.update.microsoft.com and search for the latest KB of the Windows Update, download it and run it, which will install the latest update on your system manually. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.